The Tamil month Margadi. It's a month for spiritual growth. This month brings the picture of Kolam and people visiting temples and chanting Tirupavai, Tiruvempavai and listening to Upanyasams, discourse, then attending concerts. So all their activities are related to spirituality. For Devas, this month is Brahma Muhurta time. So it is full of spirituality. So during that time, we chant the slokas. In this month, we chant Tirupavai, and in Shiva temples, they chant Tiruvempavai. And this time, that is this Brahma Muhurta time, fills the air with sattvic gunas. So we tend to get more and more of sattvic gunas, and we do only sattvic guna related activities like listening to Upanyasam and hearing music, the concerts, and listening to stories of gods and helping people, visiting temples. So this month is vibrating month. And Andal adds to this. Andal is one of the 12 Alvars, Lipattur. And she did fasting during this month on all the 30 days and prayed to Sri Krishna for the welfare of the world. So this is what? Parabhakti. Parabhakti is selfless, simple, humble way of showing devotion to God. So she has taught us how to pray for the entire world and how to pay attention towards God. Bhagavan Krishna says, I am Margadi month in Bhagavad Gita. So it adds glory to the month. And Andal is adding more to that, because she did fasting during this month. And Bhuma Devi, the wife of Vishnu, she told Varahamurti. Varahamurti was the avataram of Lord Vishnu. When Varaha avataram took place, Bhuma Devi told Vishnu, Varahamurti, that she would like to show the way for bhaktas and bless the bhaktas. So she wished to be born on the earth. So she came down to earth as Andal. And she was found in the garden of Periyalvar, one of the Alvars. And Periyalvar took her to his house and brought her up like his own daughter. And Andal picked up the divine good qualities of Periyalvar, and she listened only to the glory of Krishna from his father. So she developed more love towards Krishna, and she wanted to reach Krishna. So she took all the girls in Srivilliputtur, thinking that they are all Ayarpadi girls. That is the place where Krishna was brought up. So she thinks of Ranganatha as Krishna only. Though she was born much after that Krishna avataram, but still She thought of only Krishna and she developed bhakti towards Krishna, and she presented us the 30 pasurams, which is called Tirupavai. So this Tirupavai is chanted by everyone in their houses and in temples during this Margadi month. வேதமனைத்துக்கும் வித்தாகும் கோதை தமிழ் ஐந்தும் மரியாத மானிடரை வையம் சுமப்பதம் வம்பு. According to this statement, the pasurams sung by Andal are the base of Vedas, and if anyone doesn't know this, he is considered as waste on the earth. Krishna's Upadesams are Bhagavad Gita. Andal's pasurams are Bhagavati Gita. Andal mentions God's name as Keshava in Tirupavai in many places. Keshava is the name very much attached to this Margadi month. So this is in Tamil word. So here in Ka refers to Brahman, the Supreme. Then Isha refers to Shivan. So Narayanan has everything, that is, with Parabrahma, has all within himself. That is the meaning of Va, Keshavan. And Andal says, when you are Krishna, I am Gopiyar, and all the girls here are Gopiyar from Ayarpadi. Ayarpadi is a place where Krishna was living. So she calls everyone as Ayarpadi Sirimirgal, because she asks Krishna, wherever we are born, but when you are Krishna, we are all Gopiyars only. That is the girls of Ayarpadi. So all our activities are singing and doing puja, visiting temples during this month as per the guidelines given by Andal. For Jivatma's welfare, Paramatma created Shastras. To explain the Shastras, sometimes he took avatars, and sometimes he sent his Nityasuris as Bhaktas. Alvars came down to earth as Bhaktas, and they sang many songs in praise of the Lord. So, whichever place was visited by them, they sang songs on those gods, Achavadar Murtis. Such songs are called Pasurams. So, all 12 Alvars together gave us 4,000 Pasurams, Nalaira Divya Prabandham. Andal was one among them. She was the only female Alvar. Andal was born in 8th century and brought up by one of the Alvars, Periyalvar, and she presented us with Tirupavai in a very beautiful Tamil language, and she explained how the procedure enable us to perceive Prakriti, Paramatma, Jivatma merging with each other by Parabhakti. So her fasting, her puja, her way of showing devotion, everything was for the welfare of the people. Margadi month is the month of festivals. The festivals for gods. That is, we celebrate festivals in remembrance of gods. Vaikuntha Ekadasi for Lord Vishnu, because we all want to attain moksha. So for that, the day is celebrated. Then Anjaneyar's birth star comes in this month. So Hanuman Jayanti is celebrated. Dattatreya Jayanti is celebrated. It's a month for taking a pilgrimage to Sabarimala. Many devotees visit Sabarimalai and worship Lord Ayyappan. And Kala Bhairava Ashtami is celebrated. Shiva is manifested as Kala Bhairava. Arudra Darshanam is celebrated in this month. The cosmic dance of Shiva as Nataraja. He appears as Nataraja on this day. And this represents the continuous cycle of creation and destruction. So it is celebrated in a grand manner in all Shiva temples, especially in Chidambaram. Then Katyayini Viratham. Periyalvar asked Andal to do this Viratham because she wanted to know how to reach Sri Krishna. So the father Periyalvar explained to her. The Gopiyas of Ayarpadi, they did Katyayini Viratham to reach Sri Krishna. So you also do it in Sri Villiputtur. She followed, Andal followed her father's instruction and she did this Nombu during Margazhi month by singing Tirupavai songs. This is the prasadam we make for Lord Vishnu every day. This is Pongal. And for making Pongal, we use raw rice and Bengal gram. This is 1 cup. If you take 1 cup of raw rice, then you can take 1/4 cup of Bengal gram. Now wash this and cook it. Add 2 cups of water to this. Pepper and jeera into half, that is broken into small pieces, and add ginger. Now I am adding asafoetida, pepper, jeera powder in ghee. Then I am adding curry leaves, coriander leaves. So I have literally fried all this in ghee, but that will add more taste. So now I'll add this with the cooked rice. When Pongal, prasadam is ready for offering to God. So Perumalukku Naivedyam pandradhukku when Pongal ready. When we offer to God, we don't keep it in the ceramic or any other metal utensil. We prefer silver or copper or brass. So this is only for taking video. I have used this.